Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on your studio for the today I have a new home for you and I want to install this beautiful home on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. As you can see, it's beautiful. Okay, this home is the update of this beautiful 1.8 109p home. Wonderful. Look at that. Ooh, is it a monster? This is my second YouTube channel. You can watch this. Okay, now let's go on settings. On settings, under about phone sort of mention, you can see Ambasadii version 1.6. Under this video, the link is here. To download the version 8, I want to install the version 8 now. What now? When you download this, copy this ROM directly on your phone, okay? On the internal storage, and get ready. Internal storage, okay? Okay. Now you can see this ROM is here. ROM Ambasadii version 1.8. Now let's install this. Before doing this, let me show you something about phone sort of motion security patch. This is April 1st 2019. Remember that, okay? Thank you. Wonderful. Now let's go for installation. Make sure that you are charged your phone like me and get ready. You need also to install TWRP on your phone. Under this video, all links to see how to install this are here under. You can install also this ROM to your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, thank you. If you are finished to install TWRP, now hold free touch BC button like that, volume up and power button at the same time. Together, 1, 2, 3. Let this, when you see this logo, get ready. Now click on whip. After this, click on advanced whip. 1, 2, 3, and do this. Wow, wonderful. Go home and now install your ROM. Now click on select storage to select the internal storage where you have copied your ROM. You have put your ROM, okay? Wonderful. And oh, please go down and look at that. It's here. Your ROM is here, and you can do this to install this. Okay, get ready for the opening of this ROM. Okay, who are you, bro? Wonderful. One UE red with one UE red theme, one UE blue theme. What's your choice? Okay, you can make your choice and click on next. As you can see, this is for Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Now click on next again. Validate, next again. What new things on this ROM? Look at here. All of this here is the new update of this ROM. As you can see, security patch John first. Click on next. There are many things into, but you can discover yourself. Okay. ROM control, single search bar. Okay, you can choose what you want now. Well, I can choose here. Okay, you can choose what you want here. Okay, you can see the blocked option. all selecting will be deleted. Okay, if we want to delete Google Search, you can select. Okay, now we continue and click on Start Now. Get ready. The session started. Wait a few minutes for the finishing. Get ready. Get ready. Okay, as you can see, it's finished now. You can see here. Done. Click on Next. Exit. Do this. And click on Reboot System. And do this. Normally your phone will reboot many times, don't worry. S9 Plus is here. Okay, no problem. Wait. Okay, wonderful. The installation starting. As you can see, the LED is here and the installation started. Wait a few minutes for the finishing. Okay, get ready. Okay, as you can see, the LED disappeared. Now the installation started. Okay, wait a few minutes again and I will configure this beautiful OS after. Okay, as you can see, very good. Now it's done. And you can see here this beautiful percent for your battery. Look at that. This is good. Now let's go for the configuration. Okay, let's do it. Listen.
Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
What?
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
Okay, let me configure my beautiful ROM right now. Okay, as you can see, all are set. Okay, now click on finish. Oh, this is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ROM. Look at that. Welcome back, bro, to your beautiful new phone. This is amazing. Okay, look at that. Wow, head panel, head screen, settings. Wow, beautiful. Okay. Hello from music. Samsung Music is update. Hello. What else? Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Oh, like it. Ooh, it's so fast. This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ROM. S10 Plus ROM. For the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, please. For the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, please, S9 Plus. Okay. Settings. SD card. Okay, working. Google Play. Thank you. Okay, let's see authentics. About phone, sort of motion, and you can see under is a new update for June 1st 2019. This is update. Okay, Ambasadii version 1.8. Beautiful. Ooh, one new here also. It's so fast, bro. Very fast. Look at that. What is this? Beautiful. Okay, open the camera. Now click on Okay, photo, another. Okay. Ooh, it's so fast. Ooh, the same thing new into. This is night mode, bro. Night mode is definitely, yeah. Look at that. What I can do. Let me stop the flash of this camera. Wonderful. Now let's try to take a beautiful photo on night mode like that. Hold, saving. Okay. Let's see the photo. Look at that. What do you think? The exposure is great. Let me enable the. Let me see if it's possible to enable HDR return. Oh no. On that mode you can't do this. Can I activate the flash? No. You can do this also. This is real. Let me take another photo like my computer. Okay. Wow, you can zoom. What is face mode, bro? You can zoom, you can do anything. What is this? Okay, look at that. This is night mode. Okay, what do you think? Say to me what you think about this night mode. Let me enable the flash. Wonderful. Okay, beautiful. Pro mode. Amazing. Here, you can activate the flash. Take a beautiful photo. Look at that. This is without HDR. Maybe HDR return is enabled. Let me configure the HDR to always enable to see something. Oh, no possible. Use feature. It's not possible to do this. Why? Okay. Focus footage. My PC is here. What I can do. Okay. What is this? Can you see something? Look at that. What is this? Look at. This is my HP laptop. Okay, good. Fire. Power off. Okay, I know this. When you hold the home screen, you can access to wallpapers and theme. Wallpapers. You can see all of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus wallpaper and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpaper also. Okay, you can enable this wallpaper if you want for Samsung Galaxy Note 9, please, S9 S9 Plus Pro. Okay, as you can see, this ROM is so fast. I like more this option, this feature, this application. Increase again your beautiful ROM, your beautiful system, more fast. Look at that, more beautiful, so fast. Wow, nice, very fast again, and it's good. It's good. I like it. So tell me what you think about this, and get ready for the next video on Studio 4D. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Oh, beautiful. New message. Okay, get ready for the update right now. Let's do it.